Hey everybody, this is Adam from Alentado Training Consultants with some more Spanish for all who serve. We're going to learn to give commands in Spanish to call someone out of any structure or enclosure, including buildings and vehicles. Send them back to any location when they approach unexpectedly or prematurely. We'll also learn vocabulary to direct a subject to wait in an area of our choosing, and we're jumping in right now. This is part 7 in our Officer Safety Arrest and Control Spanish Expression series. If you haven't seen parts 1 through 6, you'll want to go through those videos as well, and you can find the links to them in the description below. Stick around to the end since we'll have a lightning round review at the end of this video so you can test yourself on the expressions from videos 1 through 7. Salga. That means exit, come out, or go out, depending on context. Salga. This expression allows us to take advantage of context to get the job done. If you're standing outside a building and you want to order a subject out, this one word works because he or she already knows what it is he needs to get out of, right? Do you remember how to say slowly in Spanish? Despacio. Despacio. Okay, how would you say come out slowly? Salga despacio. Salga despacio. Regrese. That means return or go back, or sometimes come back, depending upon context. Regrese. Do you remember how to say right now? Ahorita. Ahorita. Okay, how would you say go back right now? Regrese ahorita. Regrese ahorita. Again, context is taking care of us here. The subject will already know where they came from or got out of, so it's not necessary to tell them where to go back to. This means you'll be able to use verbal means to control these situations even when you don't know the words for what they're coming out of or coming from. Pretty cool, right? Espere aquí. Espere aquí. As long as you're in direct line of sight to the subject in any nearby location you want to stage them in, this command works as a standalone as well. Are you getting the idea that Spanish is a heavily context-driven language? Well, you're absolutely right. As a general rule, if something is clear in context, it's not restated in Spanish. That means less you have to say when speaking and less you have to understand when listening. Awesome, right? If you're going to direct a subject to wait somewhere that's a bit further away from you, but still within line of sight, you can sub out the word aquí, which means here, for ahí, which means there. You'll want to point where you're sending them to be sure though. Espere ahí. Espere ahí. Do you remember how to say come out or exit? Salga. Salga. Good. Now, how do you say go back or return? Regrese. Regrese. How about wait here? Espere aquí. Espere aquí. Now tell me, wait there. Espere ahí. Espere ahí. Okay, here come the expressions from this lesson, along with all the ones from the preceding videos. Remember, when you see the image, it's important to say the corresponding Spanish phrase out loud to strengthen recall and pronunciation. If you're not sure what the image or the corresponding Spanish phrase means, go back to the preceding videos to review. Remember, all the links are in the description box below. Here goes. Alto. Alto. Manos arriba. Manos arriba. No se mueva. No se mueva. Policía. Policía. Veo el arma. Veo el arma. Suéltelo. Suéltelo. Ahorita. Ahorita. Ahora. Ahora. No toque. No toque. Voltéese. Voltéese. Está arrestado. Está arrestado. Separe los pies. Separe los pies. Manos en la espalda. Manos en la espalda. Más. Más. Venga aquí. Venga aquí. Camine atrás. Camine atrás. Siga. Siga. Despacio. Despacio. Manos en la cabeza. Manos en la cabeza. De rodillas. De rodillas. Cruce los pies. Cruce los pies. Siéntese. Siéntese. Levántese. Levántese. Quítese. Quítese. Salga. Salga. Regrese. Regrese. Espere aquí. Espere aquí. Espere ahí. Espere ahí. In part 8 of this series, we'll be learning commands to make a prone arrest during high-risk situations. If you like what we're doing here, hit the like button and subscribe so you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. For more information on where we're having our in-person classes or our online coaching program and other services we provide, check our website or find us on Facebook and Instagram. And as always, stay safe.